beauties, your EuniyceMari here. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, go ahead and take a moment to subscribe, become a part of the Informed Beauties, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share me with the world. So today, you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you my underarm skincare routine. This is very, very important and dear to me because, as many of you guys know, if you've been rocking with your girl for a minute, I have been natural underneath the arms for about, what, 6 years? 6 years or so. And when I say natural, I mean as in I don't use any deodorants that have aluminums in them. None of that store-bought stuff, okay? I use natural deodorants like coconut oil alone, lemon oil, or just other deodorants that don't contain any of the icky things like aluminum and things of that sort. So with me having a proper skincare regimen, especially to keep away odor and things of that sort from underneath my arms, is very important. All right, I do have a full playlist talking about my whole journey with being natural underneath the arms. I have a few mask videos that I've created for my underarms and just what I use currently and everything. So go ahead and check out those videos to get more information on how you can go natural and take care of your underarms, especially from like darkness underneath the arms or dryness or experiencing bad things with baking soda. Yeah, so go and check out those videos. They're very informative and they'll help you along on your journey when it comes to being more natural under the arms. All right, so I do this about once a week, and this is something where it's just a deep cleansing, I guess you can say, or really just giving my skin the care that is needed. Now, I do sometimes fluctuate with this because I am a waxer, and I wax my underarms probably once every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on what the underarms are looking like and what I'm doing. So if I wax like that week, I won't exfoliate, you know what I mean? So it just really depends how it goes. But this is something that you could throw into your once a week routine to just really make sure your underarms are clean and looking their best, okay? So this is what my underarms currently look like after treatment, okay? So we have a little bit of hair, okay? As y'all all know, we in quarantine, so we can have a little bit of hair underneath there, but I am a waxer. I've been waxing my underarms for a few years now, so I barely get hair growth. When I do, it's like those little hairs that come in. So anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and let's jump into this full on underarm skincare routine. And so yeah, anything you guys have any questions about, you can always leave them down below. Also, everything that I use in this video will be down below, and also all my videos and my playlist for my underarm journey or underarm skincare journey will be down below, so go check that out. But all right, you guys, so let's go ahead and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so first we're going to start off with giving you a snapshot of what my underarms look like before treatment. Not too bad, you know, a little hairy, but it's okay. So we're first going to start off with cleansing the skin, and I use this DIY peppermint and tea tree wash that I made, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. So I'm going to share with you guys how I make a quick underarm wash for my underarm care day. So I take my Dr. Bronners, either the unscented, which is this one, or the tea tree, okay? If I'm using the tea tree one, then I don't have to use the tea tree essential oil in the mix, but because it's just plain baby soap, I want to use some tea tree in there because I love tea tree for my underarm. Okay, so we're going to apply some tea tree, and we are also going to apply peppermint. Peppermint's just really refreshing. I love peppermint. And then I just do a little 1 ounce jar. Okay, so this is just really simple, and I can use all this in one go. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour some soap into here. Ooh. And the thing about Dr. Bronners is that a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot, so that's good enough for me to wash both my underarms. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in a couple of drops of tea tree. That's good enough. And a couple of drops of peppermint. You can already smell it. It smells really good. So I want to use these ingredients because I want to make sure that I am thoroughly cleansing my underarm. Tea tree has a really great antiseptic, antibacterial property to it. So I just want to make sure that I'm using things that are going to really clarify my underarms and really clean my underarms. So this is my quick little wash for my underarms. So you see I have a little, oh, you can see it kind of separated, but just a little bit that I can cleanse my underarms with. So now we're going to jump into cleansing our underarms. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start cleansing the underarms. Now, usually I would do this in a shower, but for video purposes, I'm doing it outside of the shower. Now, I do use this mixture once out the week, but I do use my regular like body wash for my underarms throughout the week, okay? This is just used for me to make sure I do a nice deep cleanse, removing any bacteria from the skin. And I do this twice in the shower, or sorry, I do this twice in my 1 week process of cleansing. So after the first time, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it again. And it's only appropriate to do a smell test, okay? Gotta make sure you nice and clean. All right, so we're moving on to exfoliator. And you guys know this is my favorite raw sugar lemon exfoliator. And I'm gonna go ahead, put a little bit on my, well, that's a lot, but you know what I mean. We're going to use some exfoliator and we are going to exfoliate these underarms. I do go a little heavy-handed at times with exfoliator. That's just me. Also, if my underarm looks red, it's okay. I'm not I get a little irritated, but it's nothing that is too worrisome. So now we're going to tone with some witch hazel. I love using witch hazel. It just balances out the skin and it's a great antiseptic. So I take a little bit on my hands and I go ahead and apply it under the arm. Treatment, I'm going to use this DIY oil. It's coconut oil and almond oil in there, so I'm just going to use that to soothe the skin. I love using oils as the moisturizer in the end. Also, I did not go for a mask or using an underarm mask in this part of my regimen because my underarms are pretty good. They don't smell or anything, so I decided that it didn't really need a mask. So yeah. All right, you guys, so that is my underarm care and how I care for my underarms. Like I said in this video, I did not do a mask. It depends on how my underarms feel, and they don't smell after I cleanse them. They didn't smell or anything. Majority of the time, if I have more of a scent after cleansing my underarms, I would throw in a mask, like a detox mask to draw out everything. But we don't smell or anything, or we're we're really good on that one. And another thing is that as you go throughout your journey of becoming more natural, you're gonna smell less. When you're first starting out, it's gonna be hard because your body has to adjust. But when you're completely off that stuff and you're like, when you're off that stuff, like you're on drugs, when you completely clean your body of all that, you barely even smell. So I don't really mask underneath my arm anymore as often, but I probably would do it sometime like next month or something. It's been a while since I've masked, but I think it's just good to draw all those impurities from underneath the arm, lymph nodes, all that, and to keep the underarms as fresh as possible, okay? But yes, you guys, hopefully that video was helpful and you enjoyed. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye. Yeah, yeah.